Who can give us an example of a big animal? You.
Elephant.
Good. You. Good, Chikorita. No, Chikorita. Goliath is not an animal. Emanuela.
The fish.
Which fish?
The fish just swallow Uncle Jonah.
Who told you that?
My uncle told me that.
Anyway, what does your uncle know?
But auntie, it's the Bible.
Shut up! Listen, I study geology. There's no way a whale can swallow human being because it has a very small throat.
Anyway, you're my teacher. You know better than me. But when you go to heaven, I ask Uncle Jonah.
And what if your Uncle Jonah is not in heaven?
And when you go to hell, I ask you.
Success. Are you okay? What happened?
My father is in police station. My mother is hospital.
Yeah, poor girl. Sorry. Is there a way I can help you?
I want to go home.
Okay, you can go home. I permitted you. I gave you my permission. I permitted you to go home. Auntie, why are you sending him home? His mother is in the hospital and his father is in the police station. His father is policeman and his mother is nurse. What? Success! Come back! Kachi, you're getting fat. Me? I'm getting fat. How can you say that? I'm not getting fat. I said you're getting fat. See. I'm not getting fat. I'm just getting tall and plumpy, so you think I'm getting fat. You better stop that. You better mind your own business. Iya, Emanuela. Come here.
Good afternoon, auntie. Good afternoon, auntie.
Good afternoon. Emanuela, look at me. Am I getting fat? See?
You're not getting fat. You're already fat.
I'm not getting fat. I'm just adding flesh.
Yes, you're adding fat.
Do you know what it means to be fat?
Yes, I know 5 fat men go by in this area and 3 of them. Auntie, you better start drinking 50.